Okay, so my topic for today is holistic solutions for health optimization. I'm using different types of therapies based on frequencies and balancing emotional traumas, balancing emotions, also chakra or clearing aura. We aim for people to connect with the needs of their own bodies and achieve a state of harmony between the organ functionality and also aura, chakras, as I said, emotions, and also subconscious mind. This is a concept of a comprehensive approach to health that addresses the whole individual, also physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. As benefits of holistic medicine, overall prevention is very important. We have a comprehensive approach, promotion of natural healing, enhancement of emotional and mental balance. We personalize therapies and individualize them. And prevention and management of chronic disease is a very important task in our community. Also, we support mental health and emotion management. I have placed here a few cases I dealt with. It's myopia for kids. You can find all of them on our website. It's healthyvibe.ro. Then we have problems with back problems, lumbago, and also emotional traumas, unbalances of chakras, low energy, cough, and also anxiety or herpes zoster. Also allergies, dermatitis, we have imbalances of emotions. This I can tell you we find in most of our chronic cases. Also allergies are connected to emotions, digestion that is unbalanced, low blood circulation, anxiety, or other diseases or symptoms maybe. As I said, we deal with these pathologies in three ways. First of all, we use this device that is a therapeutic frequency generator device. It is patented at the European level. And awarded with 5 gold medals at the specialized exhibitions, both in Romania and also abroad. It serves as an adjuvant in energetically balancing, for instance, inflammations, infections, viral, bacterial, or fungal, and also conditions like circulation, joint, digestive, dermatological, and other types of diseases. So we can imprint on this device any recipe. We registered the recipes according to the imbalances of the patient. So everything is personalized, let's say. Then we use this CO device. This is a biofeedback evaluation and also therapy. This is for holistic testing. It utilizes various types of treatments. It was first used at NASA to emotionally balance astronauts during their space travel. This is also a modern method of assessment and therapy through biofeedback. So all the imbalances that the patient has, they are compared to items that are in the soft, and what is wrong, we balance. We compare these parameters with the data of the device's software and also the energetic balancing of the body. Within this service and with the help of this device, we aim to evaluate and balance aura, chakras, detect psychological traumas, also correct them through biofeedback, and of course, achieve psycho-emotional balance. A new thing we use for almost 2 years, I guess, is this massage armchair. It is not a normal massage armchair. It is a medical massage armchair. This is used for almost 30 years in Japan. It's a patented massage technique that is recognized by the Ministry of Health as well. It uses AI. It tests the position of our spine, also the muscular tissue. And it's after this, it's a personalized therapy. So consequently, 10 different muscles are analyzed, and the massage is optimized in real time for the astonishing precision. What else we use? I'm sure you are aware, you know, these kinesiological tests. I have tests most of our therapies with this test. Is a muscular test. We test the muscle force. We made anti-radiation device, one for parasites, anti-parasitic device, and one for brain boost device. We test each of them as well, generally, let's say. And we can also test on brain, on liver or colon, so on. And we achieved good results for the muscle strength. Also, our patients are educated individuals who are eager to continuously improve their health. They try new methods and they do what we tell them to do. So nutrition is very important, the water they drink. Pollution is a very big problem for everybody nowadays. And in this way, they understand that it's also their part that they have to do at home, because we cannot check everything they do. They understand the holistic approach we practice and trust our recommendations. We are continuously developing through research and constantly seeking to enhance our therapeutic modalities. We also collaborate with the industry professionals. Our center is a research center. We collaborate with a preventive medicine center from the University of Timișoara. We participate in invention fairs, both nationally and internationally, as I said. The devices are patented, also our recipes, the protocols that we use, as well as the automated software that is registered with the relevant institutions. The therapeutic approach is conducted by a physician, that's me, with 2 medical specialties, combining knowledge of physiology, morphopathology, also anatomy, genetics, with holistic assessments and therapies. We are very interested in prevention. This is a strong part, let's say, in our country, because people usually go to doctors when they had a lot of diseases, a lot of pathologies, and there is no other way to deal with it, or they have tried other ways and with no response, let's say. I'm aware that emotional balance is very important in the chronic diseases as well. And I have tried to work lately with entrepreneurs that are people that don't have time, don't want to do too much for their health. And they most of them wait for the doctor or the therapist to do most of the job, let's say. So don't make me do anything for my health. This is the syntagma. So I have taken a case of an entrepreneur. I have tested his emotions. This is the graphic I got for just for testing, biofeedback testing. And if we look here, he has some peaks like confusion, misunderstood, bargaining, compulsive. And down, we have unawareness. And so all these emotions, if they are balanced, they should be between two horizontal lines that are parallel, and the emotion should reach each horizontal parallel line nicely from left to right or from right to left. As we can see, this doesn't happen in our test. So as I said, it represents a biofeedback assessment of an entrepreneur's emotional graph, initially without doing any therapy, any type of therapy. And this is what we got. Then I have done another test, also through biofeedback, of the same emotional graphic of the same entrepreneur. As I said, without biofeedback therapy, it's only an evaluation, about biofeedback evaluation, but after he used a certain method that involves the entrepreneur's action. This is hard. And that dissolves limiting beliefs through any type of method. The Martini method I used here. So as you can see, the graph is better. In the down part, the emotions are quite balanced. We can put a horizontal line there, not perfectly better, but they are better through this method. But up we have also peaks that are not balanced. We have confusion, hesitation, bargaining, compulsive, unrealistic, and so on. Okay, so we reached a point. It's better, but it's not as I would like to be. Then I have continued with a therapy, but this time I initiated the biofeedback therapy, and I have print screened some the steps I have done. I have to say it was about 40 minutes, this process. It depends to the patient how many traumas he has, how old are they, if the aura is okay, and this affects negatively or positively our result. So normally for a child, let's say, I could have balanced it in 10-15 minutes. For this person, it was about 40. So this is the first step. And this fourth graph, after initiating the biofeedback therapy, we observed that we have less peaks. Now it's changing. It's better, but we have two peaks up and one down. This is the sixth graph, getting better, improving. This is the seventh. It's more organized, let's say. the 8th. This is almost 80% improved. And here is the last that is much more better after the biofeedback session. So the final result that we obtained. I have to mention that this might change till the next session, because we are continuously changing, as you all know, and different factors affect our mind, our spirit. We eat different, we drink, and this biofeedback test is changing each second. Let's say if we take more tests, it's changing. But the final result, we should get a good graph and stay like that for 3, 6 months, 1 year, maybe, if we got to balance it almost totally, let's say. It's like an onion, I like to say. At the first session, we get some imbalances, emotional imbalances, some traumas, we work on them. And then as we do more session, we go deeper and deeper, and we balance more. So when we go to we reach that level where there is a balance, almost totally balanced, then a longer time it will be okay. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention. If there are any questions, I am happy to answer them.